So now, today is the fourth day of Kajimala. So we are talking about the three primary elements of the path, and today we are going to talk about bodhicitta. There are long commentaries, so I just have to read it, otherwise it will not be completed. So I am going to read very quickly. This section has two parts. Why it's necessary to develop bodhicitta, and second, methods for generating bodhicitta. The root text is, nevertheless, if renunciation is not embraced by bodhicitta, it will not serve as the cause for the bliss of perfect and complete unsurpassed enlightenment. Therefore, the wise generate the supreme mind of awakening.
Dengi dewa minebe nyangele de guru minjurte randu yin chemebe lamdo ko gyö bechir tevena randu zuru tendo minyewa shendu gyashim burjubar chawo nyabe kijengi riksebe lodru gi zelande be wanu gibu choga rijenamgi günde menga dunda dashi nyamji gone tijengi lamji shushin tobu mabadu jube dani jingi chanju gisim chodo gebar chawo shebao 대한 라나메베 상계 톱치기 균에 전주기 쓰는 버치를 신지안여가 마인데 베르나 내기 사베네 내기 뉴구 투모마인비 유인베 대외나 내뉴기 투모웨 유 출루 죄신 남자 내뉴기 유른 유르기 내기 사베면 출루소 유에가 내뉴께버 미뉴버시 인데 리제츠월레 더니 다는 지된데 라메 전주 토베데 대자와 전주서 저완계보다 되는 초대도 인지다 니레메디 이시라 셰바다 귤라만네 티젠라메 사변 실험이 상계 추계마다 상대기 대외안에 인지마마지 강인테다 투베 제게 셰수베치 대야 판에 부이 랑거 직네비 규임베 파페르 부 베바코나게 야오르게 게미게 마네 부디 투모기 규임베 베바단 도나 야호르단 도나 야호르기 진게 왔다 전주기 셈네 런규레 데메 가사 팅버침보원 저거 사변도보다 양답에 다와니 년퇴기 전주 되얘기 삼바단 도나 랑규니기 가사 년퇴기 전주도 티버체 랑게기 전주 되얘기 삼바단 도나 랑규니기 가사 랑게기 전주도 티버체 조베 전주 되얘기 삼바단 도나 랑규니기 가사 상기기 사 티버체 바데 전주숨 튜모기 규인베 시신라 되바는 유미치모 시에바다 전주 선반남기 되바나 동북 거발레 리기부 전주기 셈네 상기기 최탐지기 사변도부 시에송 대난 야와세다 집에 양내양동아시 파바엽세다 조 어디샤라 소반남기 니코너 담베닝부르 집에 루유의 송드 타예발레 초점잖아 기시 뉴룸베시네 전주기 셈디 게로와 뚱나 초 고랑에서 지바양 고랑에 좀 발제게 고랑에서 대해서 니지메버 짜다롱다 틸레다 파이고도 동반이라서 검자 데버 콤바 카메 체게 미진소 대나 뉴도 상계와라 전주기 섬 공발레 당화 하바 메베 텔랑에 바게베시 냠내 탐지 대체도 질니 샤바 개체데 럼림체 몰레 지게나 짱와다 소와 도르베 베주르바다 전주기 림부치 셈디 내도 마소 유체점 개종을 벨로치게 소라신도 되게 짱아와단다디 사제바 지야메바라 셈디 내도식 송나 레실레 민가와 소와 담네 nombr체데 되네 녜바 죽세 삼라 만도 녜세바단다디 기지르라야 주바종와도 초듀가 델라도 뉴시 개와총와다 발급수 제바는 체와다 미세바 제베치르 셰바다 게시 뜸발라 기시 리중되베 양다양도 전주기 심정화 차와데 라메당하고 미규라 마겐니 양다양도 고베 게 차와 라슴 슈베 기시 뜸베샤니 조뜸바 대지부게 미요 조 잠니지 전주기 심라 좀 추신 일레 체바디 심어체네 샬라 초소 샬라 드바종 샬라 디베 총모 봉시 샬라 게웨신인데 샬라 최상도 동번이도 공시 추신 일레 체바前那我一些说， 제리 청주기 섬개바 장라 평균 섬기 미개지 노르드는 준주래 민두내교 딕베님보 쳐봐 개와 공도 배워 내송이 끼고 줘봐 상경에 버터바다 알순소 니바 청주기 섬개베 탐네 슈다 추시 윤기기 너가 내기 친구와 담배
Second is methods for generating bodhicitta, and it says carried off by the raging current of the four rivers, bound by the tight fetters of karma so hard to undo, enmeshed in the iron net of self-clinging, completely shrouded in the pitch-black darkness of ignorance, tormented by the three sufferings without respite, through birth after birth in the infinite round of existence. Such is the condition of your mothers. Contemplating their plight roused the supreme motivation. This is stanza number 7 and 8. Now again, reading through the commentary.
토마장 타면 못하면 디싱무수메베 시바코레 냉인디 렌징이 점이면 계신께와로 동해기 동해 교회 동해 캬바 뒤지기 동해 순기 끼지게 윤제 매버는 나와서 내가 dengon주 체스버거와 니다वर 교변 로안데다 통제 랑게 새로운함에 말뭐 줄버 지게면지 대양 레망버지 제레 일려발레 짬네 대화밤에 집에 진짜 샤다이베 마게 습제남기 동해외 강주 라냠라바데 리버삼발 삼발라 데네 지렌도 대화다 되나냐베 샤바다 동해다 제나냐베 니지 차네 제남 동해를 쳐와 나가 차원냐베 학습기 쿠르케와나 다단에 달라 대더비 니바메 니바술라이나 조베 상게 녀질레 여버셴 심제게 된도 조베 상게기 공바 진에게 토버를 차원냐 메베sem다 대달 메바상게게 상게 미도베 상게 토베체 대규 퍼진주다 두아시 시소 야사기 줘발라 라버차원냐면 주버 천주기 있음 초도 깨버는 주지 제바 대라 토마라 계획신이 레섬 된다 미베고는 신등이 예진로도 천주도 셈 마게바게 깨바 마냠시 공도베 랍자 심지 르메봉와서 면섬다 지소 퍼진주 년나수 동의시 준비 제바는 진리도 주버 차와 인라 탐색이 자와 천주기 있음 정화를 매거데 대명아 조원의 유발을 롱니 샤라웨 로마 뚱두 로저 차네 유발레 윤제명아 윤제진방아이 고네 검데 다상게 탑이 유르 전주기 심게고 바독 대유르 닝제 대유르 잡아 대유르 제바시에 디소 대유르 심제탐제 파마트지 샤다도 시에그 데넘 동에다 차 대화랑 베베치 더니 상게 토버체네 심제탐제 상게기 상거바 차원념도 삼바 제유웨 로마 장바를 무치네 유발레 윤제명아 닝게고는 로종으로 송데 토제 상경이 유 전주기 셈레게 대학습 넘버 타발레게 대니지 셴부 대 참바셴부 대 이동원래 대 제시디 대 자외메 펜닥바다 심제 탐지 파마르셰발레 게 대나 심제를 레신 참바다 니제의 상계랑 괴득이 파베 삼바 코나 공부지 대명아 캬브르도 파바 준줄레 가지 다다 셴나는 뉴도 껴버는데바디 다다 셴도 제차와 상외담바 제버체 셰다 다디 생기 동에다 야다 자오로 마제나 상기 니도 민주시 코와나야 대와메 제 다시 냐버제베 디도게 동네 베머 제바네 냠랭기 내가 치슈임비 디츠 로준 균유말레 소레 셰버 차오 다디기 에네베 심게 고르 쉬스메레.
So this is the commentary on the bodhicitta. Then the explanation of correct view. Maybe tomorrow we will talk about the explanation of the correct view together with the empowerment, because today, I talked about yesterday. So we are going to do Bodhisattva's vow. So how to say? First we do a refuge vows and then bodhicitta vows. So what it is said in the commentary the really most important and most complete cause for enlightenment is renunciation. Not only renunciation, but the renunciation has to be with the good motivation, with Bodhisattva's motivation. So if we practice even the 6 parameters without that motivation, without the bodhicitta, then it will not directly become a cause for enlightenment. So it is very important to have the bodhisattva's motivation in order to become a direct cause for enlightenment or direct path to enlightenment. That's why. So once you have a very strong renunciation, it will become a cause for liberating from samsara, but it will not become a cause for a complete enlightenment, the Buddhahood, because even to become an arhat, you need to have that. So in order to become a complete enlightened experience, you have to have these 3 principal elements, and especially the bodhicitta. If you don't have the bodhicitta, even if you have all other qualities like miracle power and other seeing the others seeing far, or all these other powers, you don't become enlightened. So even if you have, even if you have the understanding of the emptiness directly, even then you don't become enlightened. You don't become a Buddha. You become an arhat, because if you have bodhicitta, then there's lots of qualities like you will transform names and objects, acting as a remedy for mistakes, increasing virtue, close the door to negative birth, and definitely attain Buddhahood. And if you have that bodhicitta, then even if you give a little bit of food to somebody, that also directly becomes a cause or a direct practice to become complete enlightenment. So therefore, the Buddha sees the bodhisattvas as his own kind of brotherhood, his own family. So whether you are actually entering the bodhisattva path or the Mahayana path, or whether you become enlightened in this life or not, really depends on bodhicitta. So if you really want to become enlightened, then to generate this bodhicitta is extremely important. So how to generate bodhicitta? As it is said earlier, from the beginningless time, so there is no place we have not taken birth in the whole of land. Wherever we go, there we have taken countless lifetimes, and then each time we were born, we had father and mother, and we have friends, and we have family, and loved ones. So therefore, so all the sentient beings might not have become our parents or our loved ones or been very good friends. So all these beings really, so they want to get, they misunderstand the cause of suffering as the cause of happiness, and they also misunderstand the cause of happiness as the cause of suffering. So they misunderstand the intention and their cause Otherwise, they want to give up everything for their parents, for their children, and they love their children, they love their loved ones, but they don't know how to help these other people, how to. So therefore, all these mother sentient beings, all these sentient beings have so much suffering, have so much problems, and then we think about that, and then we can generate bodhicitta, that we have to help all of them. And so like in this, it is said that even if just generating the bodhicitta, if it has a form, if it has then the whole sky, whole space will be filled with that, and cannot even contain that. That much positive qualities are there. So if you generate that's the aspiration, and then if you generate the action bodhicitta, then whatever you do, from as long as so as it is said earlier, so what is actually generating bodhicitta? So there are two things, two aspirations. Two aspirations are with compassion, you want to help others. In order to bring all the sentient beings to the lasting peace and happiness, I want to become enlightened. So two, originally I want to bring all the sentient beings to enlightenment or the lasting peace and happiness. In order to do that, I want to become completely enlightenment. So those who are very courageous, then they generate bodhicitta by wanting to exchange oneself with others. And those who are not that strong person, not that courageous, then they will have to take 7-point cause and effect with instructions. And then also the king-like bodhicitta, captain-like bodhicitta, and shepherd-like bodhicitta way of generating, bodhicittas. After you generate the bodhicitta, then it's not enough just to generate that bodhicitta. We have to understand the instructions, especially if you have taken the action bodhicitta, then you have to understand what are the actions, what are the practices, and then to actually try to practice them one by one. So therefore, in order to generate the bodhicitta, there are some people who ask me to give you refuge, so I would like to do that first. First, to receive this the refuge, which is the first Vinaya precept. It's quite cold today, and my hand is freezing. First you have to do 3 prostrations, but you have done 3 prostrations in the beginning. That's enough. So today it's good that you take the refuge. If you go refuge to the Buddhist Dhamma and Sangha, then you will get fearlessness. So it is very important So whether you are Buddhist or not, whether you enter into the Dharma practice or not, depends on whether you go refuge to Buddha, Dharma and Sangha. That also, if you take the actually, if you do it from your mind, then it is taking refuge. But if you take it from a Lama and make it as a path till I die, if you make that kind of promise to myself, then you go to the teacher and then take it, then it becomes like it's more important because you will be ashamed to give it up because so therefore those people who ask me to give this refuge, so I will please you repeat after me. The Buddha is the teacher, the path, the Dhamma is the path, and then the Sangha is the helper or the society who helps you to understand the path. So if you are sick, then you need a doctor, you need medicine, and you need the people to help you. So you need all these three, and the three is enough, but you need all three. The teacher is like the teacher, the Buddha is teacher, the Dharma is the path, the method it's like the path, the method to generate the Buddhahood, and the Sangha is your friends on the path. Those who want to take so you have to kneel, but then do it in your mind, and you fold your hands and then repeat after me.
Robin,
Gozo, my name. You have to say your names now. Say your names.
Tundine Sude.
From this time till I leave.
Sangela. Gyasucho.
I go refuge to Buddha.
Namgi. Cho. Chola. Gyasucho. So Namgi Cho. Gindula. Gyasucho. Da. Tundine Sude. Sisi Soya Pado. Gyasun Zibe. Genyendo. Robingi. Sundo Se. Robin.
Teacher, please listen to me. My name.
Shigiwa. Tundine Sude.
From today onwards. Until I buy.
Cho.
Holding
Sangela.
rich.
Gyasucho.
Supreme among human beings. I go refuge to the Buddha. I take refuge in the genuine Dharma. Supreme among all that is free of attachment. We take refuge in the Arya Sangha. Supreme among assemblies. Until I would like to please accept me as someone who has taken refuge to the three jewels.
Robin,
teacher, please listen to me. My name, from today onwards, until I leave, supreme among all beings, to the Buddha I take refuge. We take refuge in the genuine Dharmas, supreme among all that is free of attachment. We take refuge in the Arya Sangha, supreme among assemblies. From today onwards, until I leave, please accept me as someone who has taken refuge in the three jewels. Then once I say Tabino, then you say Lexo, and then you feel that we have received the refuge, and now you have become a Genjin. A Genjin means the Upasaka who have we don't need to talk about the different. So you feel that you have received the Lexo.
다드네 깜주
Then-
너무 톱네 다 지당
Now-
깜주 제바 상실라 바지 랍지 유기 말해 니네 깜주 너무 체제 켈린 셰바 인상 될래베 켈렌데 마냐바 담자디 미냠베 셰도다 지 게게
So if you just say refuge, now we have taken refuge vows, so therefore it's very important to try to practice this. So then there are kind of different instructions. There are 3 instructions that you should not do. So once you take refuge in the Buddha, you don't go refuge to the worldly dharmas and worldly gods. If you go refuge to the Dharma, try to be non-violent, and trying to going refuge to the Sangha, give up negative associations. By going refuge to the Buddha, you respect the Buddha and its representations. By going refuge to the Dharma, you respect the Dharma and the representations of the Dharma. Going refuge to the Sangha, you respect the Sangha and also the representations of the Sangha. And those are the understanding. And then again and again you make, you remind, you say the refuge prayers, you make offerings to the Buddha, Dharma and Sangha, you study this Dharma and you practice that, you understand you try to understand and study the Dharma. So then you try to practice that as much as possible. So you try to understand the instructions of the refuge and then try to practice that. Now after that, I give you the bodhicitta. So generally, the bodhicitta there are different systems of giving this. There is one system from Naropa. There is one system coming from Nagarjuna. There is another system coming from Asanga, which is sometimes called Kadamba system or Samtsampa, or there are little bit different systems. That's not necessary. So this today, what we are going to do is what is done, what comes from the Shanti Deva's Bodhicaya Avatara system. So there is the beginning, actual, and then the dedication. So the preliminary is what we have already done this morning, all the 7 branch practice. So that's okay. So the actual bodhicitta is first to generate the bodhicitta. If you just generate bodhicitta, then there is no kind of instructions. But if that bodhicitta or aspiration, you take it as a vow, I want to generate bodhicitta, I will not live that aspiration, I will work on this aspiration, then you have to understand and you have to practice some vows. And then the action bodhicitta, then it's not just aspiring, but I will actually do something, I will practice, I will work on this. So then that is the action bodhicitta. And then you have, there are certain instructions, there are certain actions, there are certain practices you have to do. So it depends what kind of, what state of level you are. You will go through the same words, but where you are and how much you want to practice or how much you can practice depends on yourself, what level you are. It's okay if you just generate bodhicitta. So it's also good that you have it, it's better if you generate the bodhicitta, and also you take it as a vow to work on it, and then it's also good it's better even to have this action bodhicitta and then really practice on it. So this is according to the person to person. So since we don't have much time, so not need of explaining too much. And so as the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas of the past have generated bodhicitta, the aspiration bodhicitta and action bodhicitta, in the same way I will also do that. I will generate bodhicitta and I will also take. So here you have to kneel. It's good if you can kneel. Let's kneel.
전주 제장 무주 다간다레 다도스레 마무시다 휴메다.
That's enough, I think.
디 제료 나와라쇼.
So repeat after me.
전주님으로 지게바.
Until I reach enlightened essence,
교수지.
I go for refuge to the Buddhas.
전주 선바에.
I go for refuge to the Dharma and Sangha of Bodhisattvas too, just as the Sugatas of the past aroused the mind of Bodhicitta, just as they followed step by step the training of the Bodhisattvas, so too shall I, to benefit the wanderers, arouse the mind of Bodhicitta, so too shall I follow step by step the Bodhisattva's training. The second time, until I reach enlightened essence, I go for refuge to the Buddhas. I go for refuge to the Dharma and Sangha of Bodhisattvas too. Just as the Sugatas of the past aroused the mind of Bodhicitta, just as they followed step by step the training of the Bodhisattvas, so too shall I, to benefit all beings, arouse the mind of Bodhicitta. So too shall I follow step by step the Bodhisattva's training. So, as a purpose of becoming a Buddhist or practicing the Dharma, if I think from my own side, so let us just not think about all the beings throughout the space, but if we just think about all the beings on this world, on this earth, there are millions and crowds. So on that, the human beings are just one species on this. There are all different kind of beings, living beings and sentient beings, all different kind of beings. We human beings are creating so much suffering to all other beings, and all these beings are not independent. They have no free, they have no protection, they have no help. So therefore I, who have followed the Dharma, who have generated the bodhicitta, wanting to help others, so this kind of those, so I want to become a protector, I want to become a helper, I would like to, so those who doesn't have freedom, that I would like to give freedom. Those who have no happiness or well-being, I would like to give well-being and happiness. I want to get rid of their suffering as much as possible. If I don't have like that kind of aspiration, and if I don't want to do that, and if I don't make some effort toward that, then it doesn't become Dharma practice. Dharma practice is just, if it's just to make myself happy, or if it's just to make a pleasant time, then it's not necessary. So let's do the third time. Until I reach enlightened essence, I go for refuge to the Buddhas. I go for refuge to the Dharma and Sangha of Bodhisattvas too. Just as the Sugatas of the past aroused the mind of the Bodhicitta, just as they followed step by step the training of the Bodhisattvas, so too shall I, to benefit the wanderers, arouse the mind of Bodhicitta, so too shall I follow step by step the Bodhisattva's training. So when I say tab, then all of you say Lexo, and then you think that whatever kind of bodhisattva's vows you are going to take, then you think that you have received it. If you are taking the aspiration bodhisattva, then you say, I have done that. Or if you generate like so. Now you can sit down. Then the ending of this bodhisattva's vows. So you have to rejoice yourself. You have to ask others to rejoice. Now you think that I've become a better person, good person. Then I would like to help others. So therefore, because there is now one person who is somebody who is concerned about the welfare of others, so therefore they have to be rejoicing as well. So I will just recite this. You think about that. You rejoice. So that's it. After that, if you generate the aspiration bodhicitta, then you have to let go of the 4 negative deeds and try to get the 4 positive. So first is not to give up. Not to give up sentient beings is the main thing. And there are a little bit the three Kadampas, the brothers, Potowa, Shangawa, and Pushawa. These are the 3 Kadam brothers. The Potowa says that to give up sentient beings means if one person, even if he's unhappy, even if he's destroyed, it's okay. I don't mind. If you think like that, then you are giving up sentient beings. The Pushawa says a person who is suffering, then he or she doesn't have anybody to protect or to help. And on top of that, you have the power to help and protect. And even then, you don't help or you don't protect this person, you don't make any effort to help, then you're giving up the sentient being. So, these 3 conditions. There is a suffering person, he doesn't have any protector or helper, and you have the power to help and protect, but even then you are not concerned, you leave it like that. That is giving up sentient beings. The Sanghawa says, you bad one and me, you have, we never get together, we are never, we are complete in, we are like, we have no contact, we don't talk to each other, we have no friendship, there is completely no connection. If you really feel like that, it's not giving up all sentient beings. If you can give up one person in that way, then that is giving up sentient being. So if you give up a sentient being, then you will completely kind of get rid of your aspiration. No bodhisattva's vows, no aspiration of bodhicitta. It's all these 18 vows in bodhicitta. So these are too long. All others. So and then if during a time, if you can remedy, if you find the remedy, or if you purify, then you don't totally give up. But if you really completely give up sentient beings, then at that very moment you become a non-bodhisattva. You have lost the bodhisattva vows. if you give up the bodhisattva's vows, then you cannot become enlightened in that lifetime. So if somebody who are supposed to become enlightened in one lifetime, but if you give up the bodhicitta once, then you cannot become enlightened this life. So maybe next life you can. That's another matter, but that's how it is understood. So this is the bodhicitta. Then yesterday there was something. There's some lungs, the reading transmissions. The one reading transmission of the Ngöndro. It will make the time few minutes. I cannot. There is a story of Linkasa that somebody kind of he put a lasso on the sun and then let the sun not go by. When I was young, I have a time when to study. So when I didn't want to study, then when the teacher goes away, then there was a clock. So I go up and then I will kind of turn the clock up so that then when the teacher will be surprised. Oh, I thought this is not that late. He would say, I have done that. First, the short Ngöndro that I have composed, that is the long of the brief Ngöndro that His Holiness himself composed.
토마르 지지 쉔도 잡으스냐 뒤에 당번은 지된 자신이 되버들 라디오 나가는 분들이 다들 숨지는 너무 유저 이단을 상의를 자주도는 집에 저주도는 다른 제너로 좀 버지는 라면서 자주 숨지는 맞아 버리니 이제냐면 거는 것도 담은 정유단은 년배서 라면을 먹고 그저 되버지 숨지니 지게라 배가 봐 인노 디지 담버자 도좀 곰데라 니레 당번이랑 좀 라면을 이제 자주미도 이거를 또 그런데 이런 오는 거는 조사하면 되지 연구를 여기는 랑성으로 드려는 저도 어머저서도 소면 뭐 버저서도 뭐 드시는 뭐 소쇼면 소쇼 마음으로 뭐 하하고 방사도 뭐 와서 담아서 서버 이제 탐지기에서 하는 것도 너무 로지스맥에 남으로도 개발도 요도 저러는 녀버려 잡아 이번에 녀모나도 샤마도 되는 거 초배 지명하더라서 가는 하버드 보시면 이제 지우르 줘도 이제 줘도 송이 잡으려 매래저니 당번에 신소교를 뭐저저 매래니 잡으려 매래저 저보다는 배우서 이유를 유즈라만들이 예상에 얘기도 중요한 그리고 다 담으셔 주는 매니인데 되는지 야도면 뭐 너무 쉬긴 저는 받는 분들 저 그냥 좀 되잖아요. 양해면 저는 여전히 당을 저면서 저는 상점에 너무 그러는 맨제 되고도 그러는 다 주의를 저 그선도 녀베랑 저베로 잡내다 내가 시슈다 림조서 자오 지름유도 주버절라면 내주는 아무 튜미다 튜모니데 좀 나랑이 주변면이 저는 좀 와서 그러는지 저번에 저도 이거는 이런 거 좀 이제 저 받는 저거 좀 그냥 지수라면 저는 여전 나오는 이제 구지만 많은 스제도 이러면서 많은 일하고 이제 많은 일하면 되는 많은 일하면 좀 말하면 이제 또 우리 전에가 좀 모두 저는 그런 담아서 rabji kwene zo zang marang ko rim do wani do ku jong da ba de o de ran de lam ko rang ni ma jero de lam de bi de lam de ya de rang de ma ra de 시소 gel에 가르 유면은 요 람이 수대 랑을 진짜 샤망가 먹는 거 하나 가면 뭐 뒤기 줄아가 주더니 와서 그걸 좀 잘와오.
That's the now the long Ngöndro practice, the Palandu Vishinta, the longer traditional preliminary of Mahamudra. So he's going to give the reading transmission.
밀류 대중이 먹을 수 있는 방법으로는 토관질을 다리도에 지원합니다. 바니 이번에 주단주마다 것을 들어서 저번에 남지 잡아서를 들어줘. 레균에 제 숨바치더라면 랜더 그제도 교회도 시작습니다. 이거 시바 거연으로 동해였습니다. 아두나 시설집이 심해가든 신지 이제는 준비 전주로 규모로 되는 유능으로 지지 답변으로 캠프 심진하는 뉴는 소위 봐서 너무 잘하는 Benindendo Salamata Doshan Kulam would be the Andrew with the Shaking from Rani, the Kosa Swate News, Swate News, Vina Kajaki, Magas and the Cabricability, Camerasum, Yadana, Tijuzo, the public in the Tins out to give the Bandam of Tamar, Sanction, Tamachan, 상주는 담배나 파워기는 바보를 주는 이시제는 dü는 이시 되네 전님 집에서 하는 저러던 되는 제대로 제대로 사람이 되는 저서제 되는 러버를 보이는 렌스이 산돌라니 되는 근주다들 주변 미스버로 되는 이런 상기서 다 하나는 주변에 주변에 용을 대야라 신선도 받는 나가들 주변에 장안들 되는 반대를 하더라면서 가르지 만도 전선 여러 마지막에 이제는 뭐 거는 배선선 매를 전주를 줘서 Dugile Gambon show. Judgment Rodo going to Siege of the Simia, don't Day. Sony's over 7 Mendegi, Chogan, Sonny Mendegi, Medegin, Ruby Medina, Drumley, Hagon, 고정한 유인한 거라면 유인 계획을 상기담 상기전에 그렇지 시한된 잠서 중요하고 소지 시주담 좀 순생이 디베라싱 데이터 담으로서 배서서 그런 하하고 방사는 비드바 마스터 사도 이게 제 생쥐지 대사를 숨부가 반 그는 비원의 초대자를 엄들 보면 신나부터 가서 엄들의 것이 치자를 보고 레기버를 저샤를 로드는 사르빌로 되는 가정을 러미는 바스르신 되죠. 방물로 방법을 비다저로 모델 되죠. 게모 점로 마감만 메도면 나도 맞으면 니만 나와 여러분들 파데미 베죠. 마자면 여러분들 라마이다 선전도 보고 그러는 보여주는 제네지게라도 서비스 상주는 로노 바샬라 저저 상주는 라마들 이나로 거저 좀 레지르절리로 저는 메르 제네지게라도 매를 부동산 아우지 가리 살진을 그런 예제면에도 전로로 스범이 좀 나오는 거는 매를 장소에서 좀 사실 로그남다시를 저버셔 기류가 되는 상에 구수는 사람들이 너를 라메쇼으로 자기 좀 오는 데서 가지고 다시 거는 로그는 수시에 주다다 왜냐면 교로 지름요도 주버를 제발라면은 조르니 개버다 보고 좀 무기가 보인 지조나 지름 디체베 티즈메베 심제제 저베만이 라사람들 잡긴 다운로드 저도 견도로 제 돌리는 줄은 좀 자동으로 보면 내면 론도 춘다시는 갑니다. 누구도 받는 라메다 가고 누구도 뭐지 두상을 받는 처박고 이종한다. 누구는 로고 저jon 영원히 양면에서 지름 저 장지 저 여전한 다고도 줄주고도 소들고도 라주고도 받는 고수님이 잡은 제일라 장주람이 무지나 서주원 줄로를 이제 보여줘서 사람들이 차게진 반에 주의도 바울을 차게진 반에 님부도 처음에 소원들은 이 유디가 정나라를 가지고 좀은 야원도 받는 거 소원들을 소원들은 이게 시즈 야원장을 저번으로 제도단 저 소원들은 누구도 받는 거 님으로 이제 demand을 소원들은 너를 주기 전에 저는 니로도 소원들 사정도 개병으로 지집은 소원들 도시 장면에서 도시 대면으로 점점 잘하지도 소원들 소문나보다 주지 되지면 30그루 쳐다봐 살아서 소원들 소원이 시즈 화면 잡아주면서 Riguinja, Rijuja, the Jazakama, Jingurku, the Ozu, the Sondoli, Pamas, each seconds, one inch between the Sondoli, Gujuja, Kaja, the Jusha, Chori, Sondoli, the Raimi, some of the Jungan, the Sondoli, some of the Namjolori, the Street, the Sondoli, Kavan, the Mungu, the University of Sondoli, Tunis, the Mungu, the Sondoli, Missing in Berlin, you may see on Jimmy, the Sondoli, the second member of the pandemic, which should be a Continue with the Condemn Sasha you Tojato, Bonding machine, Jebandi Chimaleme, Yogan, Southern Dojan, Manon, Karma, but number of Rang numerous shown the new Ten Lama around Lungai,
So with that, all the lungs or the reading transmission is complete. So today in the evening, at 7 o'clock, those who have done 400,000 practices and who have registered their name in 2009, we did this Sokor Galachakra of Vilarepa. I have to drink some water, maybe it's already cold. We did the Chokor, the Vagana Chakra. Those who had practiced 100,000 practice of Nyugondo, so there's one way. First, I have done some prostration. Then I got really surprised, and I really appreciate those who have done the Nyugondo because it's not very easy. Those who have done the 100,000 practices, so to rejoice at their great practitioners. So those who are on the path of it's to encourage and to felicitate those who have practiced. So after 2009, and then the first chance is given to those who have done practice since 2009 to here now, and those second is those who have done before that 2000. There are about 500 monks, and there are about 100 other lay people, and from 7 o'clock then we will do the Gala Chakra. So those who have done the practice, you are making an offering to the Lama and all the Bodhisattvas. So this is, I must, so if so I have not said this before, because now all the registration is done, so then I can say this. So we are going to do a Chakra Sambara. So then after you have done the Chokur, then so I will give you one appeal, the appeal of Marpa Mila and Gampopa. So before I gave a little bit of the Gamtak, this meditation belt of Milarepa. So this time I'll give the Marpa Mila and Gampopa's these pills, the 3 pills. So this I have to give, and this is, please take this. So there's no time to meditate. Then maybe you are meditating the lunch. So let's just meditate on lunch.